around the way, indicates is on the verge of appointing somebody as a technical director, the Didi Dramani, Coach Didi Dramani, as much as respect. What is not right is not right.
Medina, you know, the entire Jamukra, President, or lawyer Juma, friends, on the results, no, the Bano, Unin and Nigra, on Tinnison film. Media would know my own, it's supposed to you know, we are the sports stadium, and yet Premier Football League in Quantity, purpose athletics or the facility in a multi-purpose in nature. In the yes, Western region need Premier Football and every stadium say Yamata, every smart class is maybe I'll ball match via now presidency say we are and even in the brain. Like now we are. Look at the Mediama and many
Blaster Core is 17. I'm more hard. Robert is na the ocean answer. And hotel who pay by no small boy. No, besides you when Sabidudu, if he that is Sudan for bookkeeper now, but that 1963 a share as down for. The man is because I'm from Sabidudu now on the national team, where and your club, where and the bet. Now on 2 weeks, na boy from them. The boy na di we ni buy na ben kofi ejina ni mo na obisa ben se o kan Ghana for no na o se na o se goalkeeper na suma no anyo obia o ben kofi coach na o de ma ben na ben se o fun na de be man
who know level, but somebody in the hotel, but about extra the borders of Ghana. They always fast. A day in that, Obibaji go keep our Ghana, about the Putino. But for outside, it's just a dose. You have to think for the move to our clear here, about 2 matches. Why say 2 goals? Why shall one? But last match, I said, all 2 goals, we are going to switch at 3. Did you know that man? I did not mean as a mother.
Are you? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready. Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, Akuma 97.1. Evienya bread do send in a good year Sam Suyadepa. And I on the 20th of December 2021. Kakran ye ko. Ani ye ko na finsu na fenetima banewie ye. Ojidi ese twere ampon Kwame Nyankopon de yebekwa wie ye pa. Na finsu ne anisuade hunu ya kuma so de na ono so ye ede aman. De bia mekase sa finish ase no niama da wani so no. Wantimi anya enkachi nyadidie. Nyareshemu sebeye. Meso oyenden kurabe den ebefa. Aka just 11 days. Just 11 days na fin so no 2021 etima banawie ye. Oma ye ni omo shase from the 1st of January. Ebe pimene no enyo mu nyina na ni omo tinkwam. Entine se ne o tinkwam na fa na se kese fama twere ampon Kwame Nyankopon. Na nyagidie se afi no odo betwa na watwa ne ye. Odo be say afufu from. Amache emo akwaba. FM Rock Command 97.1. Aha ayo Command Global Sports. Osho Brenna sima wachi abo apadonko ho. Yetra sisi ana yesa gudi mu nsema etwegu wo wiase afana ye de ba. Ehon nkomo yebedi. Nebekwa amanene na amanene nsem so atima ba. Sanso na betena sana fenso na the champion writer commentator. The writer ba. Ele exclusive ekoso ewo ye local scene mu de ba. Efisem beba. Onim say writer ko ye be na wotwimienu. On the exclusives ba. Black Star call up up to now and my right about boom na face what domestic court near my hintantia Black Star squad into me by no or they are too jar. Samson if you fisema and editorial no me the baba. Editorial no me the baba. And the messia kwa kopie mo the National Sports Authority akache. An editorial note in here, Meko the National Sports Authority Akati, led by Yera Peter Chumesi. But now Chroma be did this as and then across Sports Stadium, more renovation. The Meko by Yababa, editorial Nebaba, across Sports Stadium, in here, and you'll be at dia. Yera Peter Chumesi, and you'll dia. Me, and you're personal property. Ministry of Youth and Sport, led by Yera Mustafa Yusuf, and your personal property. And your mind Ghana, dear. And I said, you yet man high clubs need be at Yausika, some of the popo. Yes, it's Sports Stadium. Yankasi Event Center. And the editorial, I know the befa or the bar. I feel so much domestic coca crowd a couple Black Star catchy. Until Tamu Kuchu. Number of feeding in the Command 97.1 or Command Global Sports. And we in a second come Bibia. Mencha man for Total Filling Station 4. What be a show no Mamuti? Total Queen. Total Queen, and we are heavy. I mean, Tiao. Daniel Juma, phone you know man for Total Filling Station. We are happy papa. Pull spot. Oh man, for ye in Chiao. Samson Aminchia, Obapa Jina Papa B. Obapa Jina Papa B heavy. Aminchia, ye. Nothing soon Obapa's cousin. Obapa's cousin. Who are Cropon? Minchiamo. Madame Yamiche. Only the governor. We are heavy papa. And we are Minchiamunina. If you didn't do Command 97.1. Ono adwuma for House for Sports and Food Joint. Ewo Kropono Sign Brom. House for Sports and Food Joint. Musu we bioma mutie show no. And I feel so mommy, ono sister Anita. Wo Pentecost opposite. Musu we bia dwuma de ni ma mutie. Yenchia mo ye. I feel so yenchia sister. Musu Tom Beans of Pentecost opposite. Ono adwuma phone nya yechia mo. Yera Kofi Anton Bafo KAB. We are heavy. Evian or executive producer. Atisha Jumedi and Nina Yereba. Nana Kofi Okori Achaman. Head of sports, we are heavy. Remove. More fire and confirm out. Samson and DJ Tony, DJ Zigibi. You know, boy, check on our face on the Facebook. Connect to my chagu. It's in the Facebook for no home. Monyan intent and our face someone joining live. Facebook, your command 97.1 radio. CNA, or command 97.1 radio. Our Facebook. Samson at YouTube on your command radio 97.1. Twitter at Okoman971. Instagram at Okoman971. Also bet my journey live now so follow Jumediano. I mean your fofia. Kwame said gawaha. Grab your Santen job journey. Then I'm kind right and so better than a fist my bar. Ewie me din ni Nana Kwame Amponsedi. Bet my friend AK. A man AK me. Yes, girls, so say omo pe AK no. Omo feel brand AK no. The AK me so me de be mo. I mean chia Porsche. Madam for fro. Na no me da isia we ya say. Easy o. Godfather, we are heavy. Godfather. I mean, cheer with ye. And to know, Sunny, I am never corner fence to know. I'm an seminar to my bar.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's alright. Into young corner fence na manisam. Any young fan brody AK. Meso meti me ajime jantu join here live on Facebook your command radio 97.1 TNA or command radio 97.1 on Facebook also no ubetumi follow na fence no bibi anso no timi akoso kama na isama na nsam yenso no yetime dia about him say weekend top flight major European leagues no enso timi koso na say enya sim kumani ebeso se enso na timi e the free the French league anima na say any matches dodo na say any French cup south and say Coupe de France no enso timi to draw of France Monte so na say enya sim kuma say na matches no enso timi koso Coupe de France no mo Toulouse etena fie eti Olympic names nso na bɔ ne ka nan ɛma ne team baako a ɛno nso yɛtumi de ato yɛtiefo ne Droids nso no ɛne Nancy ɛbɔ 1-1 penalties no Nancy nso no tumi wini 4-2 na ɛsɛ no nso no ɛnya asɛm kuma saa nso na Shosho ɛnso ɛne Nantes ɛtumi bɔ 0-0 5-4 penalties ne Nantes nso no ɛtumi qualify ɛnso ɛde kɔ ne nim Olympic Lyonnais anasɛ ne no Olympic Marseille yes ɛnso no ɛtumi tere fie ɛte ɛyɛ bɔbɔ kɔ ne deɛ ne kane ɛbɔ ne kane nan ɛma ɔno nso ɛtumi temu baako a yɛn nso yɛtumi de ato yɛtiefo ne na Monaco ɛkɔ piem wɔ away ɛnso ɛkye Resta ɛbɔ ne kane mmienu ɔno nso wɔntumi ante yɛn nso yɛtumi de abɔ bɔbɔ kɔ ne den ɛde Lille Metropole ɛtena fekyi Oze ɛbɔ ne kane mmiɛnsa ɛma ne temu baako a ɛno nso yɛtumi de ato yɛtiefo ne yɛmfi Coupe de France na ne yɛnkɔ piem ɛwɔ the German Bundesliga na afei nso ne yɛmfa matches ne bi ɛmfa mfiri hɔ ɛnso ne mfa ma ɔde asɛ na matches no over the weekend ɛwɔ the German Bundesliga ɛno nso no ɛtumi ɛtɔ dwa a ɛnya asɛm kuma matches ne nie Bochum nso tena fie ɛma Union Berlin ɛkɔkye ne twa ne ka baako ɔno nso ɛntumi ante saa nso na Bayern Munich ɛtena fie wɔ Allianz Arena ɛkye Wolfsburg team no ɛbɔ ne ka no mako nan Wolfsburg team no nso ɛntumi ante aberanteɛ ne deɛ ne Thomas Muller ɛbɔ goal saa nso na Leroy Sané Dayot Upamecano ɛde baako pii so ana afei nso no Robert Lewandowski ɛnya the fourth goal no ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde ma Bayern team na nkonimdeɛ nso ɛtumi ɛkɔ ɛde ma ɔmo nkɔpie mu ɛnso ɛde a bɔbɔ kɔ ne den ɛde Eintracht Frankfurt ɛtena fie wɔ Commerzbank Arena ɛte Mainz 05 ɛbɔ ne ka baako ɔno nso ɛntumi ante saa nso na yɛ Sport Park Rosdorf no na ɛte sɛ ne no Greuther Fürth ɛnso ɛne Augsburg ɛtumi ɛbɔ 0-0 TSG Fiam ɛtena fie ɛnso na Prizera Arena ɛte Borussia Mönchengladbach ɛde bɔ ani game ne kɔɔ ne wie na ɛsɛ 1-1 ana saa match no nso ɛtumi akɔ wie aberanteɛ ne den ɛde Breslau ɛyɛ Mbolo ɛnso ɛtumi bɔ goal de ma Borussia Mönchengladbach nanso na ntentam ama game no tumi kɔyɛ 1-1 Red Bull Arena na Leipzig no Arminia Bielefeld wei na shocking results ɛnso ɛtumi kɔkye bɔbɔ kɔɔ ne den ɛde RB Leipzig ɛbɔ ne ka mmienu ɔno nso ɛntumi ante aberanteɛ ne den de Gianni Serra ɛbɔ goal ɛtumi de ma Arminia Bielefeld team no ɛne ɛta PC ɛtena fie ɛte Borussia Dortmund ɛnso bɔ ne ka mmiɛnsa ama Dortmund team no ɛte mu mmienu aberanteɛ ne den nso no ɛde Isaac ɛyɛ Polleford ɛbɔ goal saa nso na Marco Reiter ɛbɔ goal so ne mmienu ɛnso de ma Hertha team no aberanteɛ ne den ne John ɛyɛ Brandt anaasɛ Julian Brandt ɛte ka ne mu baako ɛnso ɛtumi de ma Dortmund team no saa nso na FC Cologne ɛtena fie te Stuttgart ɛbɔ ɛka baako Stuttgart team no ɛnso ɛntumi ante Antonio Modesti ɛna ɛbɔ goal no ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde ma ɛyɛ Cologne team no wokɔpia mu a wɔ Europa ɛyɛ Park Stadion deɛ na ɛsɛ Freiburg ɛnso ne Bayern Leverkusen ɛde bɔ ɛne game ne kɔɔ ne wieɛ no na ɛsɛ Freiburg akye Leverkusen team no abɔ ne ka mmienu ama ɔno nso ɛtumi ate mu baako a ɛnya sɛ nkuma table wɔ German Bundesliga ne nie Bayern Munich nso edi nkan ɛwɔ 43 points saa nso na Borussia Dortmund ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛwɔ 34 points Freiburg team no ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa ɛnso na wɔ 29 points na afei nso no Bayern Leverkusen ɛtɔ so ɛnan a ɔno nso na ɛwɔ 28 points aseɛ hɔnom no sɛ na ɛteɛ Stuttgart ɛtɔ so 16 position ɛwɔ 17 points saa nso na Arminia Bielefeld ɛtɔ so 17 position ɛwɔ 16 points Greuther Fürth abɛtɔ so ɛyɛ 18 position a ɔno nso no ɛwɔ 5 points nso ɛwɔ hɔ top scorer chart no Robert Lewandowski of Bayern Munich costume ahyɛ 19 goals sanso na ne no Patrick Schick nso no ɛwɔ ne Frankfurt a ɔno nso no ɛtuma ahyɛ 16 goals Erling Braut Haaland ɛwɔ Borussia Dortmund wɔtuma bɔ 13 goals nso no ɛwɔ ɔno afei nso no Anthony Modesti nso no FC Cologne ɔno nso ɛtuma ahyɛ 11 goals nko pie mu ɛwɔ Italian Serie A ɛno ada na nya senkuma weekend yi matches dodo na nso no tumi kɔ so a na ɛsɛ big games na no ada anaasɛ weekend ɛtumi to dwa ɛnso no ɛwɔ the Italian ɛyɛ Serie A ne mu ukopie mu ɛyɛ Joey Stadium dia Atlanta team na tena fie ɛma AS Roma Jose Mourinho ne ne mmeranteɛ ɛkɔkyerɛ Atlanta team no ɛbɔ ne ka baako ɛnan Atlanta team na timu baako abranta ne deɛ de Nicolo Zaniolo ɛtumi bɔ goal Grace Smalling na afei nso no abranta ne deɛ de Tammy Abraham ɛbɔ goal so ne mmienu ɛnso de piece so ɛde ma ɛyɛ Roma team no abranta ne deɛ de Brian Cristante ɛna bɛte card and say own goal and so card in a two na tenema and the match no go 4-1 in favor of AS Roma team no and so ewo abobo kwa ni at Inter Milan so timi kwati bobo kwa ni at Salernitana abo ne kan enum ama bobo current man te Abranta ni at Ivan Perez chabo go Samson na Denzel Dumfries Alexis Sanchez Anino Maravilla bogo Lautaro Martinez na fenso Roberto Ayagadladini and so the back piso Erma Inter team no Stadio Olimpico au Rome no SS Lazio and so to transfer Genoa team no abo ne kan makoma kumiensa ama Genoa so timo bako Pedro Rodriguez Ledesma Eboko Samson na Francesco Acerbi Mattia Ayazakani omunyina tumi bogo so no etimi de Lazio team no Stadio Renato Ayadelara no Bologna team na transfer man Juventus all ladies of Italian soccer ekotene bonekam you know the Bologna team na ntumante Abranta ni dey enso de Juan Cuadrado Pelo Boko Samson Alvaro Boja Morata Aya Martin Alvaro Morata no enso de bako piso Edma Juve team no Cagliari transfer ma Udinese Casio ebonekane nine when tumante Gerard Deulofeu former Barcelona player na bogo sinimi no enso ewo Fiorentina and Sassuolo to be 2-2 inform player Duvan Aya Vlahovic to be bogo and my Fiorentina team no Samson Eneno AC Milan trafie our Stadio Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ama Napoli babone kabako anonso antimante Abranta ni the LG Aya Almas and Sona bogo no and my Napoli team no Torino HLS Verona ebone kabako Verona and so antimante Thomas Anasene Tomaso Aya Pobaga and a pogo no so etimedema Torino Sampdoria trafie and Venezia po 1-1 Samson Stadio Alberto Pico no Spezia and so trafie and Empoli etime po 1-1 yes enya sem kumate bonini wa Italian Serie A Inter Milan de nkan 43 points Samson and Napoli etosumi ne 39 points AC Milan etosumi ensa 39 points afensoro Atlanta team na toso 9 37 points in soro ewo Juventus Ushema etoso 7th position no soro ewo 31 points ayetumi apa asia wonu ni Genoa toso 18th position ewo 10 points Cagliari abatoso 19th position ewo 10 points na fensoro bobo kwa ni dey enso de Aya Salernitana enso toso 20th position ono so 8 points top scorer Italian Serie A ni and Abranta ni dey adu Dusan Aya Vlahovic so 16 goals Ciro Immobile our Lazio watama 13 goals na fensoro Simone Giovanni enso no 12 goals so no ewa yetumi apa yenko piemu ewo in Spanish Premier La Liga Santander ne for results no enso Bradia Sena results in it enso no was Spain over the weekend Celta Vigo etrafiete Espanyol ebon academy and some Espanyol team no etimu bako Igo Aspas Aya Jankao epoko no bako Samson ne Santiago Santimena edo bako personal fenso no Denis Suarez enso de bako ka ho edma Celta Vigo team no bobo kwa ne Rayo Vallecano eti Deportivo Alaves ebon cameo no ama no so antimante Samson ne no kopiemo ewe ne bobo kwa ne Real Sociedad akatia abotra fie ma Villarreal bebon cameo san wantumi anti Abranta ne Gerard Moreno bogo sinimi no ana fenso Nigerian international Samuel Chukwueze adeba kwa piso adema Villarreal team na inkunumdi so ko adema mo na Stadio de Camp Nou no ene Barcelona trafie Elche team no ebon kamiensa ama Elche team mi no Abranta ne de Varane anase ne Varane Aya Jonka aboko Samson ne no Paulo Gavi anso adeba kwa piso na fenso Nico Gonzalez ede ball last go no anso team ma Barca team no uko pemo Stadio Ramon Sanchez Pjuandia ne big papa patenie Sevilla team no eti Atletico Madrid abon cameo no Atletico Madrid team no eti kanemu bako Abranta ni de Ivan Rakitic abogo Samson Lucas Ocampos enso de bako piso na so ne no Thomas Lima beti kanemu bako eno so tentama former Atletico team no mo ne no amoya shawa Sevilla ebe bon cameo no ono so entimi ante Athletic Club Bilbao etrefeche Betis ebon academy ensa ama Betis team no so na team mienu Inaki Williams ebo Brace Samson Oscar de Marcos edebako api so adema eye bobo kwa de Athletic Club sanso ne no Granada etere fie eso na chem Real Mallorca eba na kanai ono so timu ba ko Getafe eche Osasuna timu no boneka ba ko a wan timi ante na Real Madrid de timu no eso tere fie ewa ne no Santiago Yosta Bernabeu ere Cadiz de Boni game ni ko na wie na 0-0 obi antima fa ball enso Antonio Nyonko atrema anonso yetimi dia balik table ni Real Madrid de nkan enso na 44 points Samson ne bobo kwa ne de Sevilla etosumi enu awo 37 points Real Betis etosumi ensa awo 33 points na Fence and Rayo Vallecano etosu 9 awo 30 points do shema Barcelona etosu 7 position awo 27 points as Rayo Vallecano Echa Barcelona and so league table no so top scorer chart ni Karim Benzema about 13 goals Real Madrid Samson and Vinicius Junior and so Madrid team no what to me as 10 goals so I go as pass our Real Celta Vigo and also at me about 8 goals yesterday pa yango Premier English Premier League na face ro yamfa manani 7 fancy near me to us wo fedia over the weekend no uko Premier Alan Road na Leeds United at na fie ama Arsenal the Gunners Cobone Karma kuma kwa 9 ama Leeds atimu bako Rafinha Bogode ma aya Leeds nso na mfa Branton de Gabriel Martinelli ebogo sene mieno sanso ene Bukayo Saka ana fe nso no Emil Smith nso areba kwa piso de ma Arsenal St James Park no Newcastle at fie ama neno Manchester City Cobone kanai ono so entumanti Ruben Dias João Cancelo Riyad Mahrez na fe nso no Jamaica ni de share Branton ni Raheem Sterling so areba kwa piso arema City team no Molineux Stadium no Wolverhampton Wanderers at fie ni Chelsea de Bueni game ni ko na we na 0-0 obi antima fa ball enso antima fa Antonio Nyonko atere Tottenham Hotspur Stadium no Tottenham and Liverpool de Bueni na 2-2 and some match ni ko wie na big game and no so to me to try Branton in the Hurricane go and I feel so young son and so son no at the back when piso at my Tottenham team no Liverpool catching all Branton in the Diogo Jota go na feel so Andrew Robertson and so the back a piece to my Liverpool table in here Manchester City didn't kind 44 points Arsenal Liverpool at us me no 41 points Chelsea the Blues at us me 38 points na feel so no Arsenal but also 19 Arsenal but also Naya on also 32 points Manchester United Ushema Toso 6th position 27 points and so Asewa no money Burnley at also 18th position 11 points down to Newcastle at also 19th position 10 points now for Norwich at also 20th position on also 10 points top scorer in goal in Mohamed Salah and so to say 15 goals Samson and Diogo Jota Liverpool about 10 goals Jamie Vardy or Leicester City about 9 goals na Rafinha and so Leeds United and also at me about 8 goals and so and so I'm no yem fence na yem atwa so ofie right kubo for prodigal son apa tienie prodigal son apa right
super
waba
yaba
I say voice no
yes what an account me what an account
aburo check akra kwa na
what nyezo play mutra nyezo kra yetina play kakra
but man for so ma feel
oh yes me so ma feel mo pa but near monitor from afar
okay
and you feel agro but Zuba Milo squad ne beba
squad
ne beba my year course bia and you 40 neighbor
say neighbor
26 neighbor as I say
na see ekwe preparation
Dabi 26 neighbor super 26 neighbor you don't come out credit but the Ghana Football Association omo planning as division 1 no when say omo is it 38 on better so about 18 and the latest about super and the latest but and on ya then be to baby near about Black Star 26 and then squad na che so only say 22nd December ya and the 20th aka 2 days no mo ko kata do ha ko preparation but super commander ban nye for meeting ko so meeting ko so but say untumi ni bloni nye adwuma na take decision na bloni da bloni na ni adwuma no also perforte bloni so per 26
and I say some guy be a 40
a waste of money as a waste Denti ode
super. I didn't say the 26 never call.
Yes, 26.
That any 26 in the prayer.
Yeah, for
the kokra no be kopra or the bit my replacement
because CAF for the abase due to COVID-19 it almost 10 to 28.
Okay.
Yes, and if it's 26 na obi ko play na or hwe na nye ya obetimi di 2 abeshim. And you no but
there's a hunya say be free 40.
Ya be free 40 da be so be hunya. Nkomo di ekoso no.
Right.
Super over the weekend Ghana Premier League koso.
But easy.
Mama fa kunya we
Accra Lions ofo yi.
Oh me call relegation. Super me call relegation. Out you nko. Sharks ni tikika. Sharks bet me akọ. House of Folk
as a bounce back.
Wa bounce back na enye fedi agro for the first time Samo Budu after omo kwa Africa buy no wakasa. Enze omo game against Omina Shark o collapse kakra. Yes, but Andro Kasai.
Okay.
Yeah, more my bass na Premier League in Andra. Koroko Sports Stadium was very man for yeah. But Sunday has any dreams. Oh do. Eba yere papa. Super young cobra.
Found tuna and your ponytail woman and ba editorial ha. And no be the editorial and beba.
I mean NS
for no.
NS for no. They are not serious.
And to the super young cobra face for 57 no. Young famra.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League.
And the writer.
Super.
Young come fisem.
Super. Davi Sadi na ye mami can say let's interact.
You need come on.
Hey. Me yasa bi adime yes. Wa sha no maka kwan so.
I'm out for ya na.
Super. Over the weekend Ghana Premier League also na command nye fedi agro. Diana Stars. Isoma Soja. Asupe Diana Stars Soja dabi. Oma Soja. Oma Soja ya. I no be Brutus na to mama.
Yes,
over the weekend Oma Soja. Oma Soja papa yes. Oma Chibrekum Chelsea. Ebomo 2-3-2. South na outgo ni Great Olympics for 0-0. 11 Wonders. Echi baby ni Gold Stars. Ebon 2 and Saso. Ena Caroline 910. Bechem 910. Augustino Krasupa was Soja. Also say go na talent is I'm go cool out and do dabi. Eba take on ball one. Accra the House of Football last na me probably Kumasi Asante Koroko. 825 in crime. Enya NSC abroni beya. Enka Friday bobo mo dew ese Lagos to 2-1 bobo kwa team ade out to you actually bobo kwa team ade Omina Sharks ebo 2-0 wafa long time and rom chemediama ebo mo 1-0 House of Folk super perhaps nyom de trauma be team na ye has team no ye ka team na oh kotogo team dey say team ni nye yo adabi kotogo team ni nye ye and also Folk nyame chade ye jina na mo so actually Lions upon 2-0 mami bo say my team no team na ye yes so 2-0 na say na league table nesi etie nyame adumande e wo Kumasi Barbara Sports Stadium King Voice ani Dream FC everyone time so na okopima league table ni nie bobo kwa dini Adriana Stars already can 20 points South na King Voice I was 17 points Krobia Kumasi Asante I was 17 at the third position. Well, one outstanding game on a House of Folk, Babo. South and Bechem United at the fourth position. I was 14 points. And I say, and I commodity here now House of Folk at the 12th crying. I mean, Chade, trading up on Yakopo to Bosobo, Sonia Sasiasi. House of Folk, your 3 outstanding game. Yani Mediama, Yani Chelsea, Yani Kotoko, even show me December. Even Chokoredi, it's House of Folk at the 12th position. Our 9 points. Zuba has team no. We are back again. Send a common AC at your Misoko Facebook. As long as the form is serious. Shakai. Super NS serious. Over the weekend, you was saying na NS but to just say watch out. Across Sports Stadium, innovation. Now renovation yes. Okay, that's it. Yankosha. Andra Saturday, Adebate Sunday. Ete for munko Facebook mame. And they say, Omaji contract I guess here, Stoneboy Boshoot. Hey, Stoneboy, elbow shoot. And the across Sports Stadium, Yadbabo Bono, a Komano, Wom di Boshoot. And on a Koma Craba, na enye fidi agro no a yede ema geneti for na ezubadi ayera of adina yela yaza obra bebrea zo nye ya samo bodyguard coach so we be atuma we be dada subadi amfao but ebefa pa over the weekend match say ko we say and I copy my coaches no eden koma akraba head coach Adama Boko Atini Krobia Kumasi Samtora Korati are Prosper na Tegum the batu just and game the boys no how he wanted the boys to play the ball according to his satisfaction, you know. Never Shakai. Others than the boys no so bono and yes I no bono. But no still no court dressing with the boys in the year but Obedo Mazi 2-1 Reno Abancho Bebo and the boys and about so say Wama Abdi 2 Reno at the Abayeti Smorati are Prosper na Tegum what you tuja.
Isn't satisfied with the performance. If you look at the way we played, that's not typically how we play. When we scored, we were playing better, but because the goal we conceded was a bad goal, it just took the zeal out of our team, and basically that made us to be a bit disjointed. But then when we went into the dressing room, I told them those things happen in the game, and we need to pick the pieces together. So in terms of performance-wise, I'm not happy about the way we played, especially after we conceded. But before we conceded, I think we're solid, we're marking, we're tackling, we're passing the ball well. But then because of the nature of the goal, we just went off.
And some then some would share. Now no Prosper na Togum and come on Maxwell Kunedu air coach and Malego City Papa so Kasaka Krase Koroko team names that are in your team Yaza, Umunyo Biaza, but it seems like going on but Aberdeen. They'll go back to the drawing board and do the tactical changes now. Almost previous matches, I can't omit me really.
We created the chances all right, and our boys failed to score. I mean, if we had converted our chances, we would have been at this position. With the goalkeeper to beat, what can you teach a player to? Only the goalkeeper to beat. I mean, that is football. We understand that sometimes you create the chances, you can't convert them. But the most important thing is the player that missed that glorious opportunity is 16 years. So we are happy with him. We are not going to put any pressure on him. Just that we keep encouraging him to do his best when the chance comes the next time. 6 in it's a worry, but everybody saw the game we played. We're not going to change that. We'll continue to play like that until we start winning. I mean.
Eti ano come on no time ne call ye be see what you say over the weekend swag awards need to me akoso na okopima Mohamed Kudus osi akane ma yas one of a foreign based player of the year area see na so na tanu ye free ye bania house of foot player papa no so it me home based player area see na so na coach of the moment coach papa e kroma e kase coach are very fantastic coach Yusuf Bazigi Papa Etumeji, a coach of the year na Abubani Dindi Janet Edri, as to me Julia so as to me a year a year of the year to me. Edison Naso Suba, Oko Piamanunie, Abranta around your voca. If you are so vocal. So, over
who release and I had to and then I'm from Muna.
How's fine idea?
To me, I think say a normal. A part of football on the place they do baby but sika mete say no credit sika mete over $400,000
yes
and if you're a Mexican club
yes
ever and you know I think Radio Voca has done enough for Hearts of Folk winning the Ghana Premier League for Hearts of Folk, the FA Cup. It was unfortunate some would do African injury and a have Branton but and Hearts of Folk to me a certain player for over $400,000 now they have a certain William Denchia and also a PK Obo, you understand?
Yes.
Until $400,000 a year, about so much. Now, Abranton has been there with Hearts of Folk for more than 5 years. That's what I say. And Oba, no, said I bimbo or to the bench, and the I was certain Obato, a Mukra, a player. Oh, your left back, yeah, Mukobo Chan near Mukoyadi. Oh,
yeah,
was Thomas Sabi.
Yeah.
And but he was knock on both Auroras in the Anoba. This time around, so to me movie from Auroras. No, a bit Pimo, I had to folk proper. No, I bought, no, I'm making a name in a full squad na ye ton for $400,000 I think say yeah obi bo one season ye ton so that say
yes
and here say as na pesika bi Hearts wanted him to stay but as a kwana so ye den okọ into we mutual consent and you say ebufo na has the actual contract with Abi a mutual thing no munya ajatum and a terminated contract na and $400,000 per your information you could know from a Mexican club and a mode bar and also no continue right no
super no watch it me sure na ne yakaba blaster I don't need a 26-man squad Milo yes and then also squad ne babat super meeting na course na nyezo meeting na course sa we ne ka oka sabia kasa na all play les clay now we so akadabi antiase oka se adabi yabi so mo tiase but 4 local players David Abagna na enam no super difficult eso be burim dabi on count
yeah
dabi on count on count kra dabi
right
super on
count ya be din komo ho eti my try hombra na me fa editorial nembra
okay
with the editorial ne ba wi a yes ya ba be this an komo no Black Star komo kakra ho
yes LCD
because I untumi share Anton San fro bia keke e ma ne me body national team
okay
so what you say David Abagna Sanda he deserves to be in the squad.
Hey, deserve
to me, he deserves to be in the squad.
I mean,
see, your fresh players into the national team are based on their current form.
Man for local players na Abdul Ganiu, Richard Atta, Abdul Fattah Issaku. Na.
Ana why? What about Ganiu? What about Richard Atta? What about Fattah Issaku? Ana why? Ana why?
Philip Bafo.
Why? Oh, right. Yeah, near bro.
Philip Bafo.
Fattah Issaku, Abdul Ganiu, Richard Atta.
Yes.
Ana why?
Philip Bafo.
I don't know why.
Ozaka on my dreams FC. Nana for to me, ana me ya course me
Philemon Bafo dreams FC right back.
Say Philemon Bafo number na sa bag na beshewa. Eno no but me follow local players my course me una omo no.
Say DNT, ade na ehun nti e Philemon Bafo.
Oh, very good. Onimbo on the ball. This is on the game and Asuba.
Super.
Asuba Onimbo on the ball.
Why? Obi a your friend more than 6 times to the national team. A single minute.
Wait. Super. Me man we say you back say na that be exclusive no. And he say a banner say here and
there. What all they say a mabon thing.
But
speculation. Speculation.
Super account
me say what they me Judy.
Asuba account.
So what off 2 weeks na ba. It mean so the exclusives aba me Judy. But on say Ejuma ne it's speculation.
Yes.
Yen China coach Milo. The NT I will hold you on and I say and pay for hold you on with a squad into me man. A bar. Philemon Bafo doesn't deserve to be in a squad.
Not your woman.
Oh my, be share one asamaka.
But so me.
Mr. Wuma.
Okay.
You confirm Mr. Wuma.
Okay.
You be share one asamaka.
All right.
David Abagna Sagna he deserves to be in the squad. David Abagna.
Augustine Okra.
Augustine Okra no. Me share kakra.
Okay.
Me share kakra.
All right.
On the style of playing or super 4-5 B.
Okay.
The likes of Kamaldeen Suleiman Amo. Aha. Okay. But David Abagna. The squad we ba.
Non Cambia.
Batianka.
Okay, super. Mami Jose mkuta fufro. Nyezo. Fufro. David. Obi na to mame.
Usikaba.
Menya new friend.
Ekruma ye tofo nchewa. Say.
Menya new friend.
Aba na be ma.
Oba.
Ana tofo na chewa.
Ati mami tua na Mary. There was a brutal pam. Na spirit recovery nkoma no. Oyare.
Okay.
Enti no eno nkoma no. Enti super. Oye brutal pa. Ati say me kona guess ni jada me tie me meditation from afar. Na come on nye owe na ose no a guy papa am dani pa ko pam na sema usu enya new friend Porsche e tia bibia obia tia no come no am tia obi o meditation from afar voice na ye yaza what
now that's okay
also kasa tizuba ano FNC na eke antiaso
okay antino writer and I'm telling kan no the official na ba but and no editorial ni and I'm a free say TNA. Na de ayina tum. Okuma radio na tum na yese tiefu ehu. Enti no jumuwe ni ma meni abre. The National Sports Authority. Writer. Krobia senior. Ono say dano dai nete. Ana mande release by say the Accra Sports Stadium. ɛne ɔmo ba bɛyɛ renovation meboa ɛmu bɛhia pitch na nkasa sɛ green grass technology ba bɛyɛ pitch ni ye na yɛayɛ renovation kakra penti ayi yɛfrɛ ne sɛ stands ne seat ne adeɛ na yɛ sɛ stadium na yɛ kama na yɛ sɛ Ghana Premier League teams so yɛ to folk ne Lagos City sɛ Olympics ne Accra Lions mo atimi abɔbɔ Accra Sports Stadium na ɔmo bɛgye saa nsɛm bɛto dwa sɛ ɔmo bɛka me ka kyerɛ mo sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ no kura wom sɛ ne park na ɔmo yɛ renovation bia ɔmo de gye sika wo baabi na memeda no ɛhyɛ ase fiada park a NS sɛ ɔmo yɛ renovation tie ne yɛ o park na sɛe pitch na sɛe stands asɛe nkonya so ayɛ fi na ne no ɔmo yɛ renovation no ɔmo de park na ma han but onyeri kan yɛntie nsɛm a yɛwura Peter Chumasi ɔno ɛyɛ panyin ɛde ma the National Sports Authority ɛde to dwa ɛde fa stadium no
yɛn close to stadium me no ka say I had no yɛ adwuma public no have access to the place the only work a ɔmo yɛ no yɛ pitch na ɔmo improve the quality no sa pepe o hwɛ yɛ we kra no sɛ ne yɛ de kɔto match kɛseɛ pa ka kotoko ne ha bombebo Sunday no mbo wi aka Monday no aka yɛ shot yɛ sɛ na me kra na yɛ no because me te sɛ kotoko susu ne ha yɛnya official notification yɛ by me te sɛ yɛ kotoko ne ha match no kra so ɛma ɛbɛba so kra I preparation because I started from Monday no after the match and I could do the bring friends the 26th next year and yeah DB had who green grass for this period no pitch no grass no improvements fertilizer application aeration me had the wall if you never so sana now your stakeholders especially class no matter contract now you try you have to do green grass for no estate from the Juma or something more weekend win there more yantum no money Juma no we are more better
aha and the way is some panipa everybody National Sports Authority TNA onyo bia keke okroma o the National Sports Authority I'm in charge of your various stadium your boss ball okroma you Peter Chumasi and the two judges say park no you closing in mom no almost yes pitch no Tio, almost say pitch no. Then the Ghana Premier League teams na tuma boso ball. Na pitch a usie no. And then nkonya hyehyɛ yɛhyehyɛ wɔ so na. Me nim say new style and no green grass for ne dia ba. Si yɛsiesie pitch a yɛhyehyɛ nkonya be 1000. Ɛwɔ pitch no so. Na yɛabɔ stand platform stage. Yɛ mount stage kɛseɛ. Ɛwɔ sɛ me nim say ne new goal post aba dia. Mpanyifo betima kyerɛ mu. Say ne go post for fraba ye mounted platform stage na speakers also say ne be bobo na ye better sound ni ye dia mean to mean kire but ye Peter Chumasi see who ye leader who ye panyi we opposition no kra no etumi ma honorable na panyi ba be ubedi ntro tie e ntro na obedi kire Ghana fo no oba bedi ntro say the Accra Sports Stadium no ye renovate and say ye pitch ni ya ne yakohwem na nya no kure na je se mo ne park no ekobo show anasa mo de abo show na na me da mafo gina so na ne atwa me sunu mu an se senior se park ni pomo bo show na komode ade ese pitch no so a anka hamio grass no green grass no ani ya hyehyɛ nkonya over 500 over 1000 our green grass no so na manfo tete so amanfo di asa ete jese enkonya we huri obonsa yeti obonsam so yeti obon na se ya makonya so ne ya ma we so na ye di we sia ne ya hwa machine se dey sisi pitch so ne ya se pitch no then tin out to me kan okra ngira garafo tell Ghanaians say oh the entire you say out of folk and in Lagos cities no Olympics I'm fi Accra Sports Stadium say fi on the 16th I copy 26th of December no yari ama hind the ama man for both show Christmas. Ni ehun say you know Accra Sports Stadium no enya Accra Sports Stadium bi event center. Ni ehun say eni the both shows akese. Ghana for beji atom rather than say oba be din tro akere Ghana for say park no mu siesie. Mu siesie mi wan sanya de mu siesie. Mo de akoji sika ana mo de bo show. Na mo wie na pitch ne say ya. Mo say ko teams we aka chem say oba high bo so mi a obetu ya be over 5000. Na ubo game bia so wia ya te be 40% of sika mbonya e match mu mi wa mo fanye we bia renovation bia Moji sa sika nyina mo de high teams no mo de high omo moji sa sika ni wi a mo ba ye renovation ko mo san ko ji sika wa ban ho taxpayers money na san de amamo san fan ko renovation is a event am ko ball enemu mama to folk enam Cape Coast hwe na Cape Coast pitch cry I don't know say no nya kwenya hwe match ni bia hwe Cape Coast pitch no ene se ma djuma no movement ni pitch no anasa stadium no ene ne ma djuma movement ni stadium nti de asha musa no National Sports Authority Muna me in charge of our sports in this country. And as our facilities way, yes, say the best sports. In any moment, next say also be moving from Accra to Cape Coast to the end of science yes here and no crown so say. She picture about to go Cape Coast. Has a bo ne Akala omo bo passer na just say bo na jump be three. Yeah, cocker is play. Yeah, when play we back as the player sir. Play on son sir. Yeah, pitch na about to bo no. If Peter Chumesi, you should bow down your head in shame. Because now I am trying to what the actual Ghana for. One can no crunch Ghana for. One dino crunch Ghana for. And then share Lagos cities. And then nam ne be on mobile midweek no ball Cape Coast. Oba de Akala ungu be on home game. Ungu be on home game. All because from on the 16th to 26th you got obu book sepa. Jams no. Kese pa be go so 26. Na no yakwa na se ba. O po nso abo mo nko am your friends saying Accra International Conference Center. National Theatre wo. Mo nko na mko bom show. Enye ya pitch ni stadium, you say Sports Stadium. Sports Stadium. Yankase funeral grounds. Yankase wedding grounds. And you're on a reception. And you're on a ball jams. When you're musician, you know, born jams at Genesis Gagu, the Botoma. And you're a sports stadium now. Taxpayers' money, I see, you know. Or the Baba say, I'm a no wako. Edibesi na Black Star. Ghana Football Association, Black Star Management Committee, and FA Executive Council, no. Move to me for Ghana for adwini dia grow kroma. Me dwen wa menti ase. I shall say Yawada Thursday. The statement by say coach Milovan Rajevac at the squad here, but 40-man squad. Fine, musi coach Medu ye want to name squad. Obedu Fiada I can say mobile press conference. Number the squad na then Abba. And then Abba. And then Monday 20th of December. Meanwhile, I say we to free Ghana 22nd. Na mukwa muso ko kata no. Mukwa na yebobo Africa, mukwa campaign wo. Ayi friends say. Ayi UAE, Middle East, Middle friends say. UAE ho. Ko kata. Ko ye ayi campaign. Yebobo no so Cameroon Africa, yebobo Cameroon. Na Cameroon weather na Ghana weather enyepe. Enye the same conditions no mukura. West Africa for the same conditions ni yekura. Na ko ball kata. Up to now, squad that Black Star they go. Move to me fast squad. I didn't see na move to me fast squad remember. Black Star Management Committee. Coach Milo. Among for being aso unsa. Aso wa no. Say no. Memfa squad remember. Ye bisa say that ben a squad remember. I no busy fan over CBSM. And any player be player A and a player B. See, Black Star na wana yo bi adia. We call players based on their current performance. And yes, oh, wabobida. Indian fan count. Nene, wabobida, and no ya, the nene, usu ya diana. Yes, we need experience. But young can say quality so here. Quality and so here. Not say FA member be the player or promoting no and I say no open a turn akwa opportunity yan fanin ka squad no na onko Afcon bi no koduru a ye turn na ye nyasika kese anya hwe kura akwa Afcon it in the market price no be kosoro say di hunu na moti FA ho na moye na mo mpese squad no be ba na enne ya ese squad no ba ese Ghana fun players a omukwa ko si akande am man na Cameroon Milo. Me master Nkrofo uye de mi judi uye broni. Ye before the underrate ya wan ache. Before ye underrate ya wan ache. Me man Nkrofo no so wa no. Ani omo no appoint o. Omo so betuma ye dwuma to na wo frɛ o. Enti ye wadwuma. Memo bin kan kyerɛ sɛ kofa player we bra na fa no kɔ afko no wo de ne kɔ na nkɔ ya wo ne yɛbɛbɔ ɔti umilo wo ne yɛbɛbɔ ɔti na saa Philemon Baafo na me tete no ne de me mfikyɛ da mfa nya asɛm me tete Zaleg see the Naka squad no he doesn't deserve to be in a Black Star. Philemon Baafo dream sexy say squad ne ba no kan me person be one man demonstration okroma etia F no and coach Milo. Philemon Baafo he doesn't deserve to be in a Black Star. Dream sexy matches ya try who the performance ya share na you who the performance and I move for Philemon Baafo then move for Victor Drew onim na mo kofa squad bia hwehwɛ ni mu squad hwehwɛ ni mu squad me tete ba ku bi a me tete player me pese me bɔ ni din me tete ba ku bi ɔno ne bɔ no wabɔ awie o saa player na me wabɔ ne bɔ na awie me tete me na me tete na mo se ekɔ de mo kofa squad fun bi amra ko ya se ekɔje afcon no enye go andu wo and I said, try and qualify to the semi-finals and I said, go and bring the cup. It's a young quality player, some of the cup, naba. Quality. And you'll be personal gain. Say, a Koba Afcon, or Beton player, and you know, young fan and can hunko, born only more. Local players, and no minimum, bon for Moncam. David Abagna, Onimbo. Kophobia ɔte division 2 ɔbɔ division 2 mi wa division 2 nukura ɔte bench ɛwɔ Europe ɛnkɔfa ne mba mbɛka se ɔbɔ Europe nti at least wɔn hu aborɔfo ne nsa no ne ade enti dɛ ɔte Europe division 2 yɛmfa no kɔbɔ AFCON yɛde division 2 player ɛwɔ Europe ɛgye AFCON yɛde division 2 player ɛwɔ Europe ɛgye AFCON mi wa ɔte bench yɛde ɛgye AFCON. What time would to be shown born? I show ratings now. Born 5.1, 6 points. Anything I can form about on board by no minimum. Bo at your agent if we are not on the Marco. And she there's a from a Black Star. You play a chroma over 50 games. I how many goals? Crobia. One goal. But yes, experience no quality no. And you could be provided mobiase. Uko jenchu shani mu squad bia de ba. Me se me nkwa me protest etiamo demonstration me etiamo. Aha ana na editorial me be si. Kro bia sante wa ha. Sanso ni no kwa me sere gan so atena se Ghana Premier League weekend etumi ekọ so top flight major in Premier League. So me say England. Ona ni COVID-19 no apeja no homo so ama ni no games do na so no. Yet to me, I then to the Ashada and they are postponed. Until the match is done number. So Chelsea, I come here say draw na yard Dawson. And you know, draw na yard Dawson. Chelsea are catching na actual performance no. And so, but over to my journey live on Facebook, Okuman Radio 97.1, Okuman Radio 97.1. Sounds on YouTube and so Okuman Radio 97.1. Twitter, Instagram at Okuman 971. Or the text message, or the 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55. Golden Boy GH, I see great show. I also the need yaba at the free Facebook Samson or Bapa Gina Papa B. I see my favorite sports show. And also at the Ella. Okay. Oh no, me off I no. Me off I don't know. I say keep it on. Uncle, I say aba me off I don't know. How just Ella. I mean Chiano heavy. And to also bet me do the aba. Krobia Santa Tana say. Come say that wa Samson a writer. And so ever how could do mobile and any afa me nim no the voice no koye ni afa. Abi afọ bibia come on.
Okay, bibia come on. Yakopon market and present.
Okay.
We are fine.
Krobia.
Eke.
Yes.
Eke.
Ziggy na aja. Ziggy wife aba. I don't know wife aba na.
Oh, okay.
The back so can and the ba me when we I say Uncle Eke.
Just say one more around.
Oze.
One more around.
So we dey the mama di Christmas. Ziggy here be di Christmas.
Eke.
Yes.
And
you are fine.
You better about there say. Once again no another Monday. To me about into no said yeah no
okay. Now Christmas you didn't say
Oh, they be a Christmas.
So yeah, Adventist.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
But they be a Christmas in the day.
Every day a brunya.
Every day be a.
Oh, brother down Jem brunya.
They need to be a message.
Oh, brother down Jem brunya.
A committee, no matter the day. To me, Jimmy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Grab your Sante. And I'm saying, I have you. Weekend dinner and then what I said, who know. I share ball, but men who know the guess and then Musa and idea. Right about any alpha, meaning only alpha and 2 tongues at dinner. Say, a brand okay, yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah, share Europe. COVID-19 England matches, you know, since affected the English Premier League, you know, and the matches in 2 and you two said that. I won't be some break for this Christmas. Nanka, every New Year, Nanga at least. Pressure near war a woman. It's me about from another place. Let me show my treaty or more. Nanka, I bet to us so. And I say, still na your mom film Christmas. Yeah, send a Phoebia. Yeah, no, Crabia. I'm just saying for free. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah, Mo Bibia. A very good afternoon. Na, and you know, Yenchu Bibia answer. When you're supana OT. Okay. Uche Europe so far matches no ekuye BBI the other league sentence no Europe no and also quite interesting. Akoye say udu ene Spanish Premier La Liga ni mu a womo ejemu de ama Real Madrid said the ope bia on fa league no enye ade a omumu bia eye concern the likes of ene Atletico Madrid being the holders no the champions last season, you know. And Barcelona, woman so no the top competitor and Kaombe to media Madrid this time round and Madrid finding themselves in a good position. No, Anka him say woman to me follow Madrid nanka no the first, second, third as usual. I said they are die no nanka ekonye by the fortunes any they are any Barcelona need to know woman to me at that kakra. Now Atletico Madrid woman create title no any we share recruitment papa your friend Diego Simeone during the summer now. I don't think say a whole performance and this time round no yenya from any Atletico no and we share performance more than they started very well but we share the last 10 games to cry woma bonaeke and said that we know emba draw be any some kind of loose be a no and ya there no so etumi ebo nti I say we share one more performance one more day bano krana this time no etumi ama Madrid and so me huni say a bit of complacency so etumi a 13 because their core competitors are one more bema one that competition, you know, and I said that round, no, I said woman so no atiada woman more than bono and sheda and conquer into that sense of urgency, you know, any the eagerness I was Anka Madrid at the ball game this time I win Ocean against Cadiz. Madrid ni Cadiz there. Na one more say Nyama and Bra one more say Nyama papa and na Missandia BC soon and Bra Ocean time I one more starting one more game now and then also your last game and KKB to me Abuamanka. And pay your baby and anke dropping crown and medibeba. But me see na me nanto any idea into no nyoma say but o share me when say yeah Madrid who say so far no enya idea team bia and o share Sevilla no money so side no na bana they are like said the American West Ham no mo baga na ha they are like Olympics and near kin face no mo ye no wo mo be back kitikiti but when it gets to the latter part the most important point now we say na wo ma drop it wo mo didn't say to get their points down then from the second round of the season you know woman so to me achiche bia na ade na che say woman nya better position for Europa qualification and the conference league woman dey abeka no I think say La Liga ni mu no emu aye debate woman ejemu ama Madrid too much Atletico especially ama you know Madrid dey cause diagro el hosa EPL no emu aye din especially my club Chelsea o hwe modern boy ayen adanedi in the last 6 games in all competitions okay and share down here the Chelsea and you know any the Chelsea and papa your friend Thomas Tuchel erebetu ga say anka oba be build a team club biampo anywhere oba feel even happy to play against Chelsea but starting year my nyina so yehu after last season the modern boy oba from the January eba e league ni mu ayetumi ebora atofo ni mu call ahead they could win the ultimate you know any modern boy they started league you know and kasaba this time round you know we share injury situations be a buy 1 or 2 players be play now and COVID you know so no me to me we say Chelsea team you know na anka a defense because last season ɛyɛ defense no netumi ɛma wɔn ɛyɛ den ɛgye the Champions League no because wɔn na nhyɛ goals dodoɔ koraa ana wɔn nso na concede goals dodoɔ koraa na ntina kyerɛ sɛ wɔn core way no was wɔn defensive setup no and this time round Chelsea defense na bɛyɛ saa no ɛyɛ players ni bi wohwɛ ene Christensen contract on sign no ɔte saa anya de a coach no so ebetumi de na bo game and even the last game a wɔn de no bɛbɔ ekura wotumi hu sɛ player na nkasa no ɛnyɛ willing to play and wohwɛ Rudiger ɔno so de wenya kan tum sɛ ne contract anya de ɔbɛsan wɔn ne nda na contract ni wu na efe so ɔbɛsan a wasan on sign a no kɔ nti no ama saa nneɛma no Kovacic abepra the last 2 months Kovacic abepra ene no Abrante friend N'Golo Kante this season was started 4 games per Premiership ni mu injuries ana ene no Abrante friend Jorginho ono so he's been playing through pains ni ade a ono so ehwe ni ma yen last game we kura no do no nya covid ye ba coach na kire say no Abrante no yare dada nti ehun benya so betumi abench no and other players are almost so covid no Timo Werner Kai Havertz no no etieke emu ayedin ama Chelsea dey mean that emu ayedin but I believe say in the course of the season said their year kono Neoma best sana these players we nyina return ya Neoma be back to normal ediama this club
10 seconds or English Premier League no COVID won sense
EPL nankasa no ene yen nkrofi England fui I say one aso yedin kakra and moreover no womu je bibia won pese womu di associate womu hu efri other rules are amount for edebeba na say the governing body no talking of the FIFA and IFAB no because we know say any IFAB in combination with FIFA crap say this 5 substitution na ewo football mu this time no one person womu nye no in all aspect football pro we bia no one person 5 no one be here dem womu be maintain but yes still from last season through COVID no England fu ya wo chinchine say wo de 3 na ana wo nso ebe den ebe use then again wo hwe say dia La Liga any other teams no wo ye ho a tester wo aye no na EPL players no bebre mpese wo be ye and wo masan ebie mu Europe nyina wo kwa England na so far wo ebie mu ama supporter bia say stadium no efa 40,000 nyina na wo mafa ni nyina hurewure mu sa and Uche Endra releaser na me kan eba from Boris Johnson any other EPL mpenefone kasana say no no COVID card no entry ana woman so no eba be set ewo any EPL ni mimi hu ni say eno so betumi aboa because said ya wo mu jagu mu bebre no na no ayedin because we situation as see no league no FM a we compare the other top 4 leagues na enye sa net internet say wo mo akwa ahunyenye mu pa wo mu betumi ahwe na sa ne o ma no players ni nyina no etumi akọwo sa vaccine yibi ni ade na FA supporters no so no they will be well checked before entry into the stadium na eno so etumi account this nerves down
okay Kobe Asante ana watene kateu amanane anonso etimedia ba on a command Global Sports a command 97.1 ana ugusu utie no within AK din komo ha top flight major in PLX no weekend yet to make also English Premier League games no postpone the COVID-19 apejano moment so the English Premier League no senior amitio
yo okay me da say emfa nchiama obibia utie command Global Sports bia wana mo ankrofo kan say yetie ntem nka de nchiama obia efa akonya so okay quick one EPL yes sure say they will listen to the COVID who say whether you like it or not COVID has come to stay take it or leave it we say COVID-19 but could be somebody is it before frubia samba COVID variant or whatever it is COVID has come to stay no matter whatever you do. The only thing that we can do is as I say minimize the rate because untimi nya ho hwe em say through that some of the protocols about people are following some of the vaccines about the difficult thing the EPL body is facing now is that players are feeling reluctant to be vaccinated. Players in person panic they don't want to and you see you be personal individual right so on it's very difficult untimi enforce no nti ohwekra players be anya COVID when treat one and one recover they are getting it again nti it is becoming very difficult for them but EPL board you trust them say they won't they Chelsea cried the proposal say and come postpone one match he refused it they won't mind you Until they will postpone the matches for the teams. They will pile them down for them. On my pile go on say, won't tell now your squad manager where size you play because
don't you think it's affecting the league itself?
No, it is in a way, but and for one, they won't back down because we cry even last 2 years. COVID no bad then cry countries Spain, Germany, France. They decided say they will go. Almost your money I'm boy do baby who said no baby I do the answer. In time we are feel someone who spearhead football in the world. Into tell me what they say should be fine until I'm there. Until be advice. Into me sure say they won't break it. I'm bebo from say because matches na one year then it does. Until some break here. How are they going to blend them? Because matches Capital One, Carabao Cup or FA Cup or Champions League or EPL or okay, we have 4 different matches na more at the same
and
time.
Even next year Yankasa World Cup
and the World Cup we league senior should come to an end before the World Cup commence. Intino they won't break. Me sure say they will find ways and means. Be on midweek so I move graffiti January and February but midweek in this to the stand so that they can be able to finish. Me sure say they will break. Chelsea I mean, it's one gas and answer. I don't know, but Senator Krobia kind. I think injuries, no. Injuries, but it's part of the game. Last season, and then my Liverpool from one, kaketu every grand katofo no. So we are coach, if you're a manager, if you're whatever a team, you put all these things into consideration. I brought from a bit of a bigger squad. Chelsea are struggling, almost struggle. But the only good thing is as a match is now what bono and your matches in much dieting, Papa. That is why they are even getting draws. Because our team we would share the likes of Man City around this time. We share the likes of Liverpool, we share the likes of Arsenal no more around Tottenham. Believe me, we in your draw crowunya, you get loose. I think they are struggling. I'm praying that they will get their full squad. So that will be a excuse to say, then we can get the true winners. And then because I say Liverpool and Chelsea are becoming runaway leaders. Liverpool and Man City, sorry, they are becoming runaway leaders. They are running away. I think that is that with Chelsea. Barcelona, I don't want to talk about them. We've all said, this time top 4 cry will be a miracle. It will be a miracle for Barcelona to even come back to top 4 because if you are playing against Elche, actually 2-0 first half. No one can bet it. You struggle, no Barcelona, and then Madrid they win. They will win the league. They will win the league, no doubt about it.
Madrid will draw.
No, he will win the league. They only contender. Atletico Madrid struggle. Sevilla, no, they can't challenge Madrid for the title. So Atletico Madrid will form, not Barcelona will form. Yeah, they will keep pressure on you. Well, these two teams are extremely struggling. Barcelona cried top 4 no cried. One show cried. One team boom break it through. But then the bubble, you struggle, you all struggle. They are not content. Madrid, they are far too gone. I think with the European sense, that's the things I would say.
Okay, I know. Kwame Sedega Senior, and I'm telling. Can you imagine come over here? Na Ghana Premier League once and some. Hatterfolk and a second consecutive victory in the Ghana Premier League. Sansona Kodoko. As I bounce back into winning ways, and I'm Legon Cities. I want to come, humanity move back. And looking at the pitch, Dream FC pitch, too bad for football. I don't know, say Hamatan, you would have said better 3 days in Siciana. But pitch and ashes are. Cape Coast pitch, so but before Monshan was some kind you must send a better for. Yeah, some more. Yeah, Ghana Premier League home come. Kobia, weekend the exciting game echo so but Dreams Ken Faisa game Honoma just say and you feel that grow so on the Olympics, right? A big game and only dreams so said yes Kumasi yeah some more Kobia Ghana Premier League
okay. Ghana Premier League, say unama bibia yedin because Kotoko to me I get it back to defeat Hatterfolk 6 out of 6, 2 out of 2, and also Ede Echo clean sheet mienu we share the last 2 games had to focus ball from their African woeful way our mukunya and I think say ebebwa and this time round the situation and our woman any teams one about the last 2 games I think say said Brakwame kind the match Chelsea I think say pepe na a favor Accra Hearts of Folk because we share games now one more bono now share chances opposition enya now share the pedigree and the standard of teams one more about the last 2 games now utum say Hearts of Folk to me abono homodin say ono so betumi enya sa win because these are teams one month no struggle in the season o share ene Omina Sharks ohun kotoku kra na de krampo etumi ahemu na ende no utumi eboa na o share Accra Lions ono so no de tibia no relegation no beko ewo ho no no na je say me say no ni hia akoye to say a bit of preparation bi and say pre-season bi ma Hearts of Folk ahead of games ball the Mediama, the Brekum Chelsea, the Kotokos, and other teams now woman so ebo modern Elhorn, the Tamale United no more Hearts of Folk bono and we be to me abwa ama team no to me get into a good shape ahead of this top games woman so ebe to me ababebo and one more yade 2 clean sheets 2 out of 2 and 6 out of 6 there Samuel Boadu and ya better nyame asese ne ho so kekan kakra no wetumi aba abegina de dugout numa endra obo ejuma kama ama bibia so etumi ekoso eho awako enso modern ball uguso eno so betumi abo Hearts of Folk and sese no kakra ebe how has kakra no William Denchi na fam honom bibia na branch friend no Radi Ovoka enso etumi ebo enejuma Radi Ovoka etumi eye and contribution to the Hearts of Folk last season and yeah, Hearts of Folk currently and I say even the Ghana Premier League nankasa itself near a proper left backer in terms of defending and offensive or better than a branch friend no Radi Ovoka and if Hearts etumi elusu a branch friend enenu efutu ayenyina yenhu who are efutu ekwe no etumi dia ba the midfield of Hearts of Folk in terms of Hearts of Folk transition and say one so ebe recover for ball no yenyina yenhu the negative effect etumi dia bre Hearts of Folk team no throughout the league season and their African campaigner one mukwe yenyina efele the absence of any Abrante friend no Benjamin Efutu and the left side no Abrante friend no Radi Ovoka and so edaho undoubtedly the best left back I won our Ghana Premier League nimu and so a season on to me enwie and also to me and to also inform Hearts of Folk and also be to me another blow for Hearts of Folk going into the season because season if na first round of cramp ye ba be bowie na asana ya be second round mu entino William Deji and to me any bad parts o sha say top quality and I know the Ghana Premier League nankasa so to me elusi and oko Hearts of Folk afema woman so elusi from their team and also able to me adwinye papa but so Abrante no ho nsensem ne de maybe later breba ho aye betumi akeken bi because Hearts of Folk management no de minimum with all due respect no minimum say Hearts of Folk competent managers and as a management womo eguso womo so wo believe was sa management we mu pa womo Hearts of Folk and na womo guso ho sa Thomas Abenumu time atenga no mo time abepem sa abri na still na yes our management na womo say Hearts of Folk wojidi wo mu say womo betumi the Hearts of Folk akodu baby padia ene no so ye Hearts of Folk na womo supporters any other penifo aka no womo ankasa so womo jejereje uba Kotoko in their last 3 games before their womo any Lagos City is boy na womo nya 2 points out of a possible 9
again na ho ntia o ka say Hearts management
na say womo competency e form
in
terms of player sales management and I say managing player say Hearts of Folk players kwanga womo fa so manage womo yenhu from the days and ubeka the last time I even had to Folk crampo a ton player Inya beye to say $300,000
but now they are selling Ovoka for $450,000.
Ovoka selling no in some way Ovoka selling no in some way so what I say and yes selling bia and yes selling it there ho ebemu but and yes selling say a agreement between Hearts of Oak and New Mexico team no ana ene no one agree on a transfer issues issues no akodu FIFA anim and some was case no and ye Hearts of Oak club no ana ne woman is a club no go into agreement of a transfer for Roddy Ovoka enti na make say sa honom no ye be shed ha be mu ensem ne doso ensem asoso pa and ye koyen anim no mpanefo Hearts of Oak mpanefo ne de say eba ne say a na meka no say a wo mu kasa wo mu ba bonten a wo hia wo mu so a wo mu ba embe kasa eti wie so a and Hearts of Oak players are Hearts of Oak at to Ghana ha pa wo mu aton won the last 10 years Hearts of Oak sa players ni nyina ko free so what beto ha okay eya reho enti yenko so na ye bebo kotoko enso abaso say ene no wo mu so etumi get back to their feet a won benya that 2-0 win over ene wo mu legend eye Maxwell Kunedu in terms of coaching any as a player for the club no or your legend Prekope Andra wo mu etumi etwa neti na Real Tamale United and so to me born homoden Omina Sharks there you say ya donate points ne sa e de call entino wo mu so etumi enya 2-0 winner and also etumi ebom and once again David Abagna Sandan Abrante no etumi eshego amen so etumi eboan and the form of Abrante no there this is the timer or no so betumi tasty the feeling and also the national team no the Black Stars I think says abri we nye twimpe anhwa na enye se ye dua bi ana se bibi na mebo se bia ne career no ebe bia na bibi but this current season this current dispensation aye womu no ana Abrante no betumi aboewuremu the Ghana Black Stars no so enya at least a few because we share players bebre etumi afele enya bonuses bi ni ade wo Black Stars edi Mohamed Alassane any we share Hearts of Oak players ni bi kotoko Ganiu no money ade Abalora Richard Atano mu nyina etumi akofemu enya bi edia and Abrante no ensu benya sika ne kakra dia se enro na se ye wo mu wo Ghana ha intino medimi suma local players ni se wo mo nso no
de wo mo koso mu ko discount
oh okay se wo ko di bi se ye de abrofo ne mo na oh ye the players ni mo na ba se tie
I mean your management no Ghana for expect to say
yes
players no kwa omunko good football
good football ba edu baby a yen a ye wo ase hanom no yen so ye bedwene ye nuanom ho kakra so what ase yen a ye wo ase an bedwene ye nuanom kakra because obefa obi efi Germany aba onipa no be friend no for 7 consecutive times na on kiki boy now onu no Germany me de buy in a course of yen living mu ni adenti na me de no abehemu now free a local player locally based player onu so ne modern ball no equally good na mbom no onu ne de ne so obo Ghana na wo Germany no onu no friend onu so no even at least twice impo out of this 7 collapse how dem abrofo na wo ba won kiki ball no a I think say anke no so betumi ama wo mo so kotokuma e de kakra na yen players ne so no etumi aboa won because e be ye me desanka Ghana Premier League ene ye ne abrofo ibebo na say this Africans a wo mo ba he ibebo na anka obia player bia e drive and e ko training ni ade I think say ni nyina so betumi bring ye ka quality any league branding ni ade eke we nyina kan wo player or I want a personal drive e drive yakọ training grounds kra no e ye no so ye brand say what in America yeah I think say okay sa nyoma we no nyina no e be hia say locally based players ne de ye hu wo ye good and at least 5 there the Afcon proper nankasa say wo mutimu ko bi e say proper nankasa Cameroon
e say wo mutimu ko bi players ben
okay ye Ghana ye ngani mu won pa de ye ngani mu won de na David Abagna ye obetumi akobi Ishayaku no obetumi akọ Ishayaku betumi akọ na players no abekwe betumi akọ because I say this family no money jersey no money yetumi jawo mu mo na ye jawo mu guo
name wo 5 o kan ke from join the squad no
okay Ishayaku number 1 and David Abagna Sandan ono so no ebetumi akobi Sabrante no etise wo mutumi de no ekono no so etumi eko tasty league no kakra okay goalkeeping department the Ghana will problem and Richard Ofori minim say no betumi ato na wakobo Afcon yi bidia and say no yen ehu say yen number 1 day eno anu jojo because we share wa day
titi we bi say ansha na Razak Brahima ti so no na am titi no krobia ne abobo ba na say ansha
okay
na Razak Brahima yeah samba be frɛ no
nti eke meme 5 no ɛyɛ Ishaku Abagna Sandan Glass na Wako Abdul Ganiu ene Abekwe yeah Abdul Ganiu Glass na Wako Ishaku Fatao ene David Abagna Sandan one minute say one mutumi ko eke.
Okay,
these are my 5 players I'm pese and penny fortune from me so many beji papa idea.
All right, I know air club ya sante and I'm saying kano Kasima be enum na sorry so but remember 3 minutes on na lokano ana 3 minutes na lokano na fin so no ya be fa course no ewa ha come on Global Sports and masugusa mutien senior I mean
yeah okay on the local front no I think Kotoko nkrofo praise Kotoko so much. Say Kotoko team no apparently a new team a certain Prosperity Ogun rebuild until they place so much expectation on him. I'm sorry but to be disappointed. I say Kotoko who say apparently a new team core of the team and last year that core is no more until Wafa more Frankenstein with some few old players no blended team until some of the expectation kesi Kotono so obe disappointed mo. So what I say, you I wasn't surprised for some time na Kotoko results in the better die. You see, a fair na Kotoko crab about difficult matches. A fair na Kotoko about difficult matches. Because if you has fair 7 matches now they were difficult matches. But afterwards, when I say has matches, or boy against team a struggle kakra. Now they so has to me picking the pieces together at least a bebuano. But a fair na Kotoko are coming to play difficult match. The likes of Mediama, the likes of Diana Stars, those cracker matches. A fan of Barbo. So a fan who say whether the team can really stand the test of time. And I say, no just some comedies. Okay, Accra has to folk. You see, a lot of things is going on. But players, a lot of things. You see, Randy Ovuka in some way say, no, I didn't even have any information to quite recently. And some who say a certain Rusuli, what former cartel be, it has. Who's a non-Rusuli neighbor on our partner, Robert Adusowa. Satan kana mo alas anya bimo. And I about dreams. And I uncle ye on your record. And I what they buy more alas and buy. And that was the end of Nurusuli. And from that time to now, I say on your being here then, and the normal natural experienced player and I say old player in the team no I say we build a certain cartel and ni nyina ka wona Africa no I say niama ankoye ege onum say Africa ayekoyi against last match ayekobo we lose for yi Richard Atta na onyare onum say Richard Atta na onyare no yare
information what about so no yare
oyare but now low and no yare because who say as a players ni bia bo team person o man den o man consider no say sare on den on no fake sickness
and allegations
yes allegations into a certain players Patrick Razak ho alleged allegation Razak ho Nuru Sule kan Randy Ovuka some players about 7 players into hwe kra na young match here ko boy sa players ni na Robert Adusowa kan ho some players were not part. International says Sana Nuna say only Alasa neighbor. With all things being equal.
Robert now a pra. I am saying I recover or join another joining team.
That is the fact on the ground. No choir make catch on. Maybe you are not preview. There are a lot of things going on behind the scene.
The fact and then they say Robert
I don't know make catch on Richard Atta no so yare.
And
no yare.
Fact, the fact is fact and they say Robert Adusowa.
That is what I'm telling you.
That's the fact.
I don't know what about to limelight. But there are certain things going on behind the scene now. You don't know.
Do you have any? You need
I don't make a choice. That is that's what I'm saying. Swatias. Until a lot of things goes in. Until I believe someone else is able to put these things together. They have a fantastic team. Once they've been able to make sure that Glasnawako is getting back on the pitch. Glasnawako with Salifu
Ibrahim now so accumulating.
They will know your record. Your record. So then until Obekano, I think the team will just okay, man, young pitch na Sunday. Oka eyarho AK so uko foreign clubs na we pitch managers won say when you ball match half time na you see them picking baby a obi abo sliding bi atom baby a ho amaso won say what they are share ho nti what are our pitches young managers what are they doing Enti to boreholes it will parking chain and found water parks at all times full the be green for sana. As a opening your bape share even Cape Coast. Cape Coast.
My man on the phone lines and I bet to us 0551 667755 0551 667755 Ghana Premier League. Maybe I saw the for out to full. It's been a second consecutive victory. And so hello.
Hello.
Bacho lower radio set and I said what you from. Bacho didn't baby afraid.
Yeah, Timo Katasi Royal Dance. Ntia no be funina.
Master Timo my tio.
Yo. Di kan na ka choose. So person win them ahụ. Na blaster o ko ma be di onwanchi. Blaster men fa ko ma blaster ho ko ya. Ndimen blaster wo suba. Na katala wo ko no. Skani be ko bi ko dokum. Sika nko bi ko dokum a re na o ka so nko e bo abo Africa so nko kata. Obi benya le pedi e bibi a hye no ko do a hye no. Team name na e ma ye dress ni di won frɛ wo ala so won fa di ni beto gwa ye. Obi kuremu opeso de ni player shem ta ya tima me nche e wo hono mo. Tima me nche ntira ma besi sambre nyina players ni di ni e ma ye. Nti blaster ma mo ha mo wo wa. Da me hira mo.
Master Timo also Nyamisha Ubetuma Fraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and answer 0270 191 971 0551. Okay, I'm in Fubua. Hello. Good afternoon. Bacho didn't maybe afrefi. Bacho ma no so kakra ma me why. When to me so with my son for about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and after 0270 191 971. Hello,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Bacho dini baby afrefi.
Friend Kofi ba for me frefi amanfo.
Bacho ma yitio.
I'm say league no dey interesting pa. Na yen kotoko for the in yeah. More rush una has we need 2 matches on the trot. Has a and you be a said a tiana neti a chon work as possible. It does in what you ma pampo.
Yeah. Yes, I say I'm for course baby you know your friends 0551 667755 0551 667755. Hello. Good afternoon, Bacho. Dini baby afrefi.
Bacho me didn't Richard do AKA twice. Bacho has a certain person kaka me boss abaso so. Ngo mutini match ni de mai. Akota kode am kasa be bring you do am de teyom na mase. Ni de mapa. Bye.
Yes, that's it. Boni yana tofasa kagumsa 0551 667755. Hello, good afternoon. Dini baby afrefi.
Good afternoon. ACP ni me kasa fi kopon adu station.
Oh, come watch it. Me don kana ache.
Oh, asemu na say me fi from am kakra. Yo.
Say bibi fine.
Nyame adom yaba nsi de na yaba.
Sure.
Bibia fefe.
Sure.
Kakra me pese me kaye Asante Kotoko team no. The best supporters ni say won nyan to bu ase kakra fa ma team no. Na se pressure na no e wo soro. E wo mu se wo fi ase yie de. Na so no players ni bebre na ya fufu. Ase na wo rekeka won abom na team no etimagina ne na so na last week wo hwe nsemsema na efikuma ase ba. Wo bra ye ni active board draw na ano ya yedin sankandra match if entima nim kunima before sankan sem bebre beba if you best supporters no say yes na Manchester mbere wo fa cup na hini na so supporters no e wo ho Arsenal Reben wo fa kruwa so supporters ni di echi nti best Asante Kotoko fo say wonya to buafi na fa ndo di team no lebedu baabi no yana na ngani beje na ya afrew na yedi anije di team na echi me da bebre
ACP, so where I say Okay, producer, say it with you. 0551 667755 0551 667755. Senior, for honestly, na yembe sorry so. Hana yemko. Until for honestly, info you are. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Bajo, didn't you have Frevi? Kobe.
Yes, I was.
Kobe, we are fine.
Yeah, no, we are fine.
Oh, okay. Matthias, I think come to have it, and we are fine.
Yeah, I go pass it. Oh, say why are they pass? So I can't be the wake up what you said me at the wall.
Sir.
Yeah.
Mind you.
I was there, house of folk. Come on, you're facing difficulties now. Now, be no more enjoy you. Well, draw here, bread, cut of bread, and son of moving your muge what they do. Now, here, I Lagos City. Yeah, they see a winning line. No house of folk. They say,
yeah. Kobe. I said Lagos City's house from no more draw.
Aha, you know more board draw. I want crack. Now, so share and raw. Yago renew much work. One of my sister station or more opponent, Carl Lions, coaching interview. So, we interview no besides officiating saying. So, me, I must have been officiating saying, you will coaching in Casa, the Rian and the Mahas and answer day. They're Bonipan and has a folk they are gonna for. There's a asthma, so what was the asthma? Said you're really lying, of course. You're chasing for a blow move. Just to go to cover pill. And I asked me how to go ahead this year. What will we speed a echo? You bet here. Yesterday, by about 18 matches in England. You about 20 matches now. You bet here about the top 3. Ask me about top 3. By 22 matches. Ask me about top 3. The middle was saying, you make your house of a bush and for your money official.
Okay, Kobe, and so more official pa. And as seen 30 seconds now. 30 seconds. I have it also.
Again, we've said it all, but I now kind of yeah, but share across folk. Oh, across folk.
Obiaba. Sir, GM5. Producer, 30 seconds now. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. But yeah, my last caller. Udini we are free.
We didn't do good Francis. Don't have to Lampard.
Lampard, BBI come on.
BBI come on.
But you.
You, between we need Liverpool. Couldn't hear the Mayan pass at the
As a referee, we are Mamokakra.
Oh, and yeah, my body go and that I will check in and you go. Right. My bomb team committed and the Kotara to say, 10 beer over there will be at Nadi. Or make up on fingers of the main entity. 10 beer, but the Copenhagen ball, there will be a day. What if upon Queen or Conquer there would be a crapping for me, Kotaka, supporters in there. Now, blast star, let's be. This is everything I will say. Best place, I say, Ghana, one coach, no better select home. And a football near bonus, they say, football else and you should be moved. The results were back. This is a book and never say one crana. If any anything a bit may win, you're the queen in him. The maybe she coaching the one with my selection where he plays for the Magana, not you couldn't depart a Bregana, Madame.
Okay, Lampard, you say that's into no, you're a friend for no. You didn't we see Sina, 10 seconds now. Yeah.
Okay, you should blast our squad. That should be a bad actually. I can answer. My memories have made comments.
Okay,
my memories have made comments because them say, when I was any goalkeeper. Now, I artistic your wedding. Artistic as no, okay. We've not been no.
We've not been fair to.
We've never been. Oh yeah, number one won it more.
Sure.
You're trying impo.
Since Garland.
Oh no.
Okay.
You're
friend for the
okay. Artistic, we've never ever been fair. Yeah, man, the chance. Kurampo mo nchiri mi who say, oh yeah, na ina Brahma. And can the woman who say yes?
They are meeting no.
And can the woman who say yes? No. They shouldn't even go there.
Yeah.
They should. But you see, near Crowley, I come in the Ajuni. Who say we a coach? Who are core of the team? Who players a bebo?
Okay.
Into Fabi Kahun, someone can exposure. So what you say? Into offer local players 5 can one and you're bad. But Saba Kona all dreams in the money dimmer. Yempesi betin din kuna.
Pibin.
Never on the crowd. Or your waist on the crowd. Yeah, that is it. Ebua inspire local players and motivate one. So what I say. Inti Richard Atta, Ganiu, Isaku, Abagna. And you're bad.
Now Mohamed Alassane of Atu.
Fantastic. And nobody is looking at that boy. Obia and Shasa boy, no. But you see.
If them 40 players and with the more Alassane count last week, Obekaya with the more Alassane count. So time na me say we to me at least 8 players. If you look at seeing but if say any 14 there, but we the America say one
I say tournament
proper.
Yes,
they should go.
Proper.
Okay, Ochina Babe di on komo chuma menche koso e fi wa chuma menche no ga so koso o isi for isi
guys obroni the only obi ni ba because
yes so ka
obroni person yen obi ni dey tia say
chuma menche o si for isi me
sa
ma chuma menche no
obroni dey tia say
entino Korea Yedwesi Mr. Mumu amofre no afrefo no Jimedin Yedwesi ya entino wadaruma munja afre oja afre kama na entino Yedwesi na yakona Jimedi aka no atumi atwa so club ya Asante motene ka sanso na Kwame Sedega so no motene ka executive producer ayo ora Kofi Anton Bafo sanso na Nana Kofi Okore Ajiman. Yes, are you heavy pa more fire confirm bro. So in the writer commentator what's in the say audio system no eba ye DJ Tony DJ Zigibi eboy Facebook no echegu ya ba me ku ma mincha Ibrahim ana finso no na yere Madam Frimpoma mo aya amafu on kusto na wa na Ibrahim na yere yes Madam Frimpoma ewie inso mincha no hey we go from Pom asebo via o aso ya mi ana emi ni abia tino okay Yedwesi na yemo bi afija pa ti bro nya ni mu ana ye wo no ye da suti ya ngo vie ye wo do mu vie chele ntino bro nya ni mu na 20th so na Christmas on 25th ntino na 20th ya da so we go from bon ode ye da so ofia ye nko me wa ntino me nko Christmas ntino mu ju ofia na maka ye so say ye nko Christmas ya da so yenyina wa yenyina na wa yero nkofie ntini yeri di Christmas no e wa dwuma wanti wa mbodi ofie na mo so maka ofie na bibia kama medin Nana Kwame Ampo said di ubetima frame AK say me so ma me so kunkun kama na bibia fa nyame pa achina ebesia na bibia so no atimi ai kama mochum
Okuma Radio.